Hi friends, I'm Avinash Pushkarna and I am author of this book, My Red Butterfly, which is a romantic fiction and it was published in the year 2006. It's a story about love, compassion, and emotions. And the purpose of my channel, which I have named as Eclectic Thoughts, is to share certain things which touch me, which shake my soul, and which I find are worth sharing. And they could be whether from poetry, prose, good books, religion, and whatever is there in life. And my purpose of starting this channel is to inculcate, first of all, the habit of reading. And besides, in the process, I also wish to spread the values of love, compassion, harmony, and brotherhood amongst all Indians, and not only Indians, I would say, even the global fraternity. These are difficult times, as you all know. Corona scare has engulfed the whole world like never before. In fact, we had never thought that such kind of thing could ever unfold. Such things we had only seen in Hollywood movies or read in scientific fictions or maybe in some folklore. But now this is so real, so stark. Its lethality knows no bounds. All, whether rich or poor, or high or mighty, all have been finding themselves helpless before this virus. Those nations, those leaders who used to proclaim that they were omnipotent and omniscient are just kneeling before it. They just don't have any clue as to how to counter it. And this also shows the fragility and frailty of our life. It simply shows, it tells us, it reminds us that we are not the controller of this planet. We are only travelers on this earth, and after completing our tenure here, we shall leave. All of us are going to leave one by one. I would just like to remind you that just a few days back, hardly 3 4 days back, a famed, very versatile film actor Irfan Khan died at the young age of 53. He was blessed with unique histrionic abilities. And then, the very next day, another famous and much loved actor of 70s, 80s, and 90s, Rishi Kapoor, too died at the age of 67. All these things again prove that nobody is permanent on this earth. Everybody has to go one day or the other. So then, what is important? I'm not a philosopher. I'm not a saint or a sage. But yes, certain things I feel, and I feel that you all know, but these things have to be constantly, we have to remind ourselves that nothing in the life is permanent. So, in this context, recently, one of my friends sent me a forward. In fact, that prompted me to talk to you today. And that was a beautiful poetry of Baba Farid. Baba Farid, as you all know, was a 12th century Punjabi preacher and mystic who was born in Kothewal, which is a place about 10 kilometers from Multan in Pakistan, and ultimately he settled down in Pakpatan. He was a Sufi. Even Nizamuddin Auli ultimately became his disciple. And anyway, what is important is that I would like to recite his beautiful lines, which are so much relevant in the present context. These lines are in Punjabi, but I'll try to explain. But I've already explained, in fact, that carries the essence of the whole thing. Baba Farid says, Vekh Farida, mitti khulli. Mitti utte mitti dulli. Mitti hasse, mitti roe. अंत मिट्टी दा मिट्टी होए ना कर बंदिया मेरी मेरी ना है तेरी ना है मेरी चार दिना दा मेला दुनिया फिर मिट्टी दी बन गई ढेरी ना कर इत्थे हेरा फेरी मिट्टी नाल ना धोखा कर तू भी मिट्टी ओ भी मिट्टी जात पात दी गल ना कर तू जात भी मिट्टी तू भी मिट्टी जात सिर्फ खुदा दी उच्ची बाकी सब कुछ मिट्टी मिट्टी So Baba Farid says that what is human body? Nothing. It is only soil. When a person dies, he is consigned to soil. The earth is dug, soil is taken out, and in that soil only, this soil that in the form of a human body, his mortal remains are buried, and then again covered with soil. And who laughs and who cries? Ultimately, again, these are men. They are also made of mitti or soil. And Baba Farid says that this whole life, this whole age is just for 4 days. I mean, just metaphorically speaking, just for 4 days. Because nothing is permanent here. But still, why the people have to say this is mine, this is yours, this is mine, this is yours? Because it is neither yours nor mine. It is ultimately nothing. It is worthless. All our power, position, or money is nothing but useless in the long run. When we leave this earth, we are not carrying anything along with us. No baggage. We only carry the baggage of our karmas. And apart from that, Baba Farid also harps on this fact of Zat, that the caste, higher caste or lower caste. Baba Farid says, Zat paat di gal na kar do, that we should not speak about caste at all. Because Zat is what? Zat is also mitti. It is also soil. And the person also mitti. Because Zat, the caste, he says, is only of the God, which is supreme. Zat सिर्फ खुदा दी ऊंची, बाकी सब कुछ, rest everything is मिट्टी मिट्टी, rest everything is soil. Thank you very much, friends, and keep viewing my videos. And if you like them, do subscribe and share. Thank you so much.